What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're creating a sketch illustration of a Triceratops. Let's begin by setting up our drawing with a series of guidelines. We're going to start at the very top in the middle. Let's start with this line coming straight down the center of our page using these short lines. Now I want to tilt the head down, so we're going to draw an angled line coming down from right to left. So let's start at the top, come across and then down. Now we're going to draw this twice. We're going to step down again, draw another line. Now with these guidelines in place, let's start blocking out the facial features. In this area up here, we're going to sketch out a circle. Just going to rough this in. This is for the eye. Now we're going to come down across the top of the head. Let's curve this, coming around and then down towards that bottom line. Now I want to bend this up across the mouth to right about here. Bend this down towards that line. Curve this out and then up. Now I'm just going to bend this across and then down. Let's add that horn in front of the head. We're going to go up and out, and come down like a triangle. Let's go back to the top of the head. We're going to draw a curve going up across the head, and we're just going to blend in towards the back of the body. Now let's go back down and draw on the chin. We're going to come down. From this point, we're going to step over, come across. Now let's just bend that back up underneath. From the bottom, it's going to curve the neck, going across and then down. Now we're going to draw that large armor plate across the top of the head. Let's start up here, angle this up and then back toward that center line. Let's round up the top, come all the way around the outside, and then in towards that bottom. Now along the top of the head, we're going to add in those horns. Let's start up here with an oval. I'm going to draw this just up above the eye. From the left side of that oval, let's add some shape to the horn. We're going to go up and out, and then bend that up towards the tip. I'm just going to trace this along the top, and then back down towards the right side of that oval. Now let's layer that same shape in behind. We're going to start down here on top of the head, going across. Now let's extend that out, trace this back along the top, and just tuck that in behind. Now with the rough sketch in place, let's go back and erase some of these guidelines. Now once we clean up our drawing, I'm going to use this rough sketch as a guide to help us layer on some more details and refine the shapes. Now I always like to start back at the eyes. Let's start with the top of the brow. Starting from the left side of that circle, it's going to curve this up and then out towards the side. Now I'm just going to roughen this detail of the eye. Let's draw the bottom edge, tuck the eyeball in behind. Now I'm going to push the iris and pupil over towards the left side. So tucking this up underneath. And now we're going to work our way around the eye, just adding these folds and wrinkles. Let's work our way around. Now I'm going to add some shape to the forehead. Then across the base of the horns. I'm just going to bend this horn going up towards the tip and back in. Now I'm going to add a trim across the edge of the beak, starting underneath the horn, bending this down, across, all the way down towards the bottom. Let's add a gap in between. Now let's finish off this armor. I'm just going to blend this in towards the side of the cheekbones. Now I'm going to add a series of folds underneath the neck, going up. I'm going to add these little points going across the outside of that armor plating. Just working our way across. And just fade that out towards the bottom. I want to do one final cleanup before we get into the details and shading. And once we cleaned up our drawing, I'm going to switch to my 0.9mm pencil and start adding some contrast and some more details. So starting back at the eyes, I'm just going to enhance those folds and wrinkles. I'm going to switch to the side edge of my 2mm pencil and start adding some shadows across the bottom edge of each shape. So the light's coming from the top, going across. So we'll place the highlights along the top of each shape. And this armor plate's going to cast a shadow across the neck. So just darken up the top and fade that down. Now I'm going to go back and just enhance our shadows, also adding a little bit of reflection. Now we're move to our fine pencil and start adding those little details. So some texture inside the beak and the horns. We'll add some cracked skin across the flesh. Now as we get closer to the end, we're just going to tighten up our shadows in detail, and always be sure to sign our artwork. And that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of a Triceratops. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week, where I'll try to draw different subjects just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.